चिट्ठे दी चादर उत्थे सलेटी रंग माहिया आवो सामने कोलो दे रुस के नालंग माहिया मधानिया
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Busha from Beauty Buzz by Busha. Those who are new, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I think from the title and from the thumbnail you guys have already understood that today I have created this wedding special makeup look on this third episode from wedding series, and I am super excited guys. So before starting this video, I would like to share some information. My beautiful bridal jewelry has been sponsored by Monu Nandini, an online based shopping page. You can find beautiful jewelry on their page. Please guys check this out. Please guys have a look on their page. You can find some bridal jewelry and some other party jewelry on affordable price. So now without doing any further ado, let's get into the video. Those who are following me for a while, you guys know that I prefer to start with my eye makeup. So yes, today also I'm going to start with my eye makeup. But before that, I would like to clean my face and will like to a little bit moisturize my face. So first I'm using Beauty Formula's facial wipes to clean my face, and then I will use a serum. So let's start. Now I will like to moisturize my face, and for that purpose I'm using this one of my favorite product from the skincare range of Mamaearth. I really love this serum before applying any kind of foundation, because it's literally lift my face and it also gives inner glow. So that's why I'm using this one. Now quickly I'm going to do my eyebrows. I really love thick eyebrows, I mean bush eyebrows. So now I'm going to add NYX tinted brow mascara just to keep my eyebrows here on the right place. So just to prime my lid, I'm using Makeup Revelation concealer in the shade C8. This one. This is my current favorite. I'm using a very small, that means a mini damp sponge to blend my concealer. I'm using this MAC Compact in the shade NC42 to set my concealer. Today I'm using this Morphe Artistry palette. It's a very colorful palette, guys. Okay, So for my black smoky eye look, first I'm going to take this orange color from this palette for my transition color. So it's totally up to you while you are creating smoky eye. Like someone prefer to start with a dark color, I mean deep color, but I prefer to start with a light color. Gradually I try to intensify the crease area and the smokiness of my eye. So that's why I'm taking this orange shade from the palette, and I'm using this blending brush, and I'm going to deposit the color on my crease area, and then I will blend it. I'm going to take this parrot green color, it's called Nature, and then I'm going to apply this on my crease area. Now I'm taking this green color, it's called Parrot, it's a very deep green. I'm using the same brush. Already you can see with this orange and green color I have created a smoky kind of a look. Now I'm going to apply kajal all over my lid. So I'm using this LA Guard Pro Matte Black Kajal, or you can say Jumbo Kajal, and I will use this kajal as my base. In a very rough way I have applied this kajal. Now I am going to smudge it. So I am taking a special brush, this one, and now I am taking this Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession palette, and from this palette I am taking this dark coffee shade to smudge my black kajal. With the help of a small blending brush, I'm going to smoke out my edges. As you can see, my green and parrot green color just got diffused. So I'm taking that dark green shade from the Artistry palette and will apply those eyeshadow on my eye. Does it look like a green smoky eye? I'm going to add this golden kind of a shade from this Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession palette. I'm going to apply this golden shimmery shade on exactly center of my eyelid, and I'm using my finger. On top of it, I'm going to apply Technique Golden Glitter. Okay, for lashes, today I'm going to use dramatic lashes, as it's a wedding makeup. This lashes, it's quite heavy and dramatic. So off camera I'm going to apply my falsies. I'm keeping my eye makeup here. Now I'm going to start my base makeup. First I'm going to apply a primer, and I'm using this Hydro Milk primer. Now for foundation, I'm using these two foundation. One is from Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Golden 312. Another one is from LA Girl Pro Coverage HD foundation in the shade Soft Honey. So just to get a perfect match, I'm going to use both of this foundation.
चलना सिखाया था ना, दहलीज ऊंची है ये पार करा दे। बाबा मैं तेरी मलिका, टुकड़ा हूँ तेरे दिल का, एक बार फिर से दहलीज पार करा दे। मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो, दिलबरो, मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो, मुड़ के ना देखो।
Today I'm using two concealer. First I'm going to use this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer in the shade Caramel.
लट्ठे दी चादर उत्थे सले।
To highlight my high point, I'm using once again this Makeup Revelation concealer in the shade C8.
बन्नू रे बन्नू मेरी चली ससुराल को, अखियों में पानी दे।
Just to give a flawless finish, I'm using a brush to blend my foundation.
धानी ले गई, हाय बन्नू रे बन्नू मेरी
For baking, I'm using Makeup Revelation Banana Loose Powder.
अखियों में पानी दे गई, दुआ में मीठी गुड़ धानी ले गई।
For contouring, I'm using W7 Contour Powder. This one.
हाय वे मेरे डांडिया रब्बा, किना जमिया किना ने ले जानिया है। हाय वे मेरे डांडिया रब्बा, किना जमिया
I'm dusting off my baking powder. For blush, I'm using Technic Matte Mega Blush Palette. This one. I'm using this NYX DV Finish setting spray all over my face. For highlighter, I'm using a Rimmel London highlighter palette, and I'm taking this middle shade golden undertone highlighter.
एक बार फिर से दहलीज पार करा दे, मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो, दिलबरो, मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो, मुड़ के ना देखो।
After wearing my sari, I'm going to apply my lipstick and I will complete my rest of my eye makeup. So please keep on watching. Okay guys, I have worn my sari and I just accessorized myself with this beautiful bridal jewelry, what has been sponsored by Mononoki. Definitely I'm going to leave their Facebook page link on my description box. You can check this out. So now I'm going to wear my lipstick as I have done that smoky eye today. So I prefer to wear a nude color on my lip. And so for lipstick shade, I have chosen Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Bittersweet, one of the popular shade from Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick collection. So I'm going to wear this nude shade on my lips.
ससुराल को आँखियों में पानी दे गई, दुआ में मीठी गुड़ थानी ले गई। मधानियाँ हाय वे मेरे डाडिया रब्बा किना जमिया किना ने ले जानिया है। हाय वे मेरे डाडिया रब्बा किना जमिया किना ने ले जानिया है। मधानियाँ दिन शगना दा चढ़िया, आओ सखियों नी वेड़ा सजया, मेरा सजना मिलया सजना मिलया।
Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. I tried my level best to make this look more elegant and gorgeous. So if you have enjoyed this tutorial, then don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family. Please also hit the bell button that you can have more updates. I will request all of you to give a like to Moru Nandini's Facebook page. I have given their Facebook page link. Please check this out. Another important information, and that is my giveaways has been closed. I have got my 2 lucky winners and I'm going to announce their name. The first winner is Anju Ahmed Apu. Congratulations dear, you are going to win my first giveaway of 6,000 Taka gift hamper. Big congratulations from YouTubers by Bushra. As many of you participated on my first giveaway, that's why I have considered another winner on this giveaway, and that is Kazi Zahra Mehzabin Apu. A big congratulations to you all. For now, I am leaving, but I will come back soon with a brand new episode of this wedding series. Till then, take care, bye, be happy, stay healthy, and I love you all.